Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel as you can see on the screen. In this resort, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 1 p.m. Check-out time. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meals plan and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please read description box. If you have stayed in this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new resort.